Today, we're diving into the latest rumors and leaks surrounding the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4, the next-generation handheld gimbal camera that is generating massive buzz in the tech community. If you're a vlogger, traveler, or content creator, this device could be the ultimate game-changer in portable video production. Let's break down all the exciting details, from its rumored specifications, performance improvements, design upgrades, and pricing to why it might be the best pocket-sized camera DJI has ever released. DJI Osmo Pocket 4, a new era of compact cinematic excellence. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to take handheld stabilization and portable video quality to a whole new level. With an upgraded 1-inch CMOS sensor, a larger touchscreen display, improved autofocus, and enhanced stabilization, this compact device could redefine what's possible in mobile videography. The latest leaks suggest that DJI has made major advancements in processing power, color fidelity, low-light performance, and smart tracking features, making the Pocket 4 a serious contender for professionals and casual users alike. Design and display: bigger, brighter, and more functional. One of the most noticeable upgrades in the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is its refined ergonomics and form factor. While it still retains its pocket-sized portability, the device is expected to be slightly larger than its predecessor, coming in at around 190 grams. This change could allow for a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, a step up from the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3. The new screen is rumored to feature 480 by 800 resolution with 800 nits of brightness, ensuring clear visibility even in direct sunlight. With an improved button layout and more ergonomic grip, DJI is aiming for a more intuitive and comfortable user experience, making menu navigation and framing shots smoother than ever. The larger screen is expected to enhance usability, particularly for vloggers who frequently monitor their shots while filming. Camera and sensor: unmatched image quality and dynamic range. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is set to revolutionize compact camera performance with its rumored 1-inch CMOS sensor. This powerful sensor will be paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens, promising improved low-light performance, sharper image quality, and better depth of field. The enhanced ISO range, speculated to stretch from ISO 50 to ISO 16000, will provide greater flexibility when shooting in challenging lighting conditions. A significant upgrade in color science is also expected, with 10-bit color depth and HDR recording capabilities, ensuring better color accuracy, contrast, and detail retention. This will be a major advantage for creators who rely on color grading in post-production. Autofocus and AI tracking: smarter and faster focus. The autofocus system in the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to receive a massive upgrade with the introduction of phase detection autofocus, PDAF, and eye tracking technology. This could solve common focus hunting issues, allowing for seamless subject tracking and faster, more accurate autofocus. Whether you're capturing fast-moving subjects, action shots, or cinematic vlogs, this new system should significantly improve video clarity and subject isolation. Additionally, DJI is rumored to introduce ActiveTrack 7.0, which combines PDAF with advanced AI algorithms, enabling precise and intelligent subject tracking. This will be a game-changer for creators who need reliable automatic framing and stabilization. Stabilization: unparalleled smoothness in motion. DJI has always been a leader in gimbal stabilization, and the Pocket 4 is expected to take it a step further. The new model is rumored to blend mechanical 3-axis stabilization with advanced electronic stabilization algorithms, ensuring ultra-smooth footage even in high-motion scenarios like running, biking, or sports recording. This will be especially beneficial for vloggers and action filmmakers who need a steady shot without the bulk of additional gimbals. Video recording capabilities: next-level slow motion and 4K mastery. One of the most exciting features of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is its rumored ability to record 4K video at an astonishing 240 frames per second FPS. This would effectively double the slow-motion capabilities of its predecessor, enabling stunning high-speed footage with unmatched clarity. The 1-inch sensor will also contribute to sharper details, improved dynamic range, and superior low-light performance, making it a must-have for those who demand professional-grade video output. Other rumored video features include 8K time-lapse recording, 120 FPS at 1080p with super slow-mo mode, real-time HDR previews, AI-assisted scene optimization for enhanced color and exposure. Battery life and charging. More power, less downtime. Battery life has always been a key concern for portable cameras, and DJI appears to be making significant improvements with the Pocket 4. Reports suggest that a more efficient power management system could extend battery life, even with the larger screen and powerful new processor. Another huge upgrade is expected in the charging department. The Pocket 4 is rumored to support fast charging with DJI's PD charger, reaching a full charge in just 25 minutes, a noticeable improvement over the Pocket 3's 32-minute charge time. While the exact battery capacity remains undisclosed, sources indicate it could surpass the 1,300 mAh battery in the previous model, allowing for longer recording sessions without overheating. Pricing and release date. When can you get it? If DJI follows its traditional 3-year release cycle, we could see the Osmo Pocket 4 launching in late 2026 or early 2027. Pricing rumors suggest that the standard version will cost around $699, while the Creator Combo, which might include a wireless microphone, extra batteries, and a wide-angle lens adapter, could be priced at $799. This slight price increase is justified by the larger screen, better stabilization, and superior imaging capabilities, positioning the Pocket 4 as a premium tool for serious content creators. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Osmo Pocket for the ultimate vlogging camera? While we'll have to wait for DJI's official announcement to confirm these details, the rumored specs suggest that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 could be a game-changer for portable video production. With its upgraded sensor, advanced autofocus, AI-powered tracking, improved stabilization, and faster processing, this device is shaping up to be the best pocket-sized camera on the market. What do you think of the rumored features of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4? Which upgrades are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Technology in the Future for more updates on the latest tech innovations.